Hello everyone. So we have came up with a new packaging template, new packaging format in which you may be able to add more details and capture more unit and weight. So let me show you how this particular packaging format and template look like and how you will be able to use the same. So first of all, we will come to the sales and purchase module and I will open one of my invoice which is created. Now after opening the invoice on your right hand side, drop down, click on package list. Now, this is the new package list. Please check earlier you used to go ahead and fetch the item details from invoice and then after you needed to create the entire packaging list or without the item. But now we have provided an item mapping feature. So I will quickly just go ahead and start with the details. In primary details, what I will do, I will quickly just mention two of the things, which is the document number and the vehicle number. So just a moment. Going below. Now, here is my package type. So I need to select which type of package is this. You can add a package type from here, a new type of package, or you can maintain the master in your settings module. Here I have already added one of the package. So it is carton. If I will go to add package type, here you can define the package type, gross weight per unit and volumetric weight per unit. What will happen with this? So suppose if I go ahead and select this particular carton, please check here the entire conversion is being displayed. If any edit need to be made, you need to go to the settings module. Package type 1. If you have batch number, you can mention the same. Now, what is item mapping? So I will quickly click on edit and please check. Here is one of my item which is needle ball. Now suppose in this particular package there is 10 quantity. 10 quantity is in my invoice. Suppose I want to send it in two packages. How I will be able to do so? I will quickly just go ahead and make it 5. Click on save changes. Now please check. Once I clicked on 5 and made save changes, the entire conversion got changed here. Manually, you can very well go ahead and mention the gross weight and unit weight, but system will automatically define the same as well. Here you can mention the comment. Now, 5 items I need to go ahead and add in the next carton. Package number 2. Now I will map it here, save changes. Now please check in both the carton, my 5 and 5 quantity are mapped. If you want, you can add more packages from here as well. Now going below, you can mention the comment and remaining details. And then after I will save and send. Now this is your package list which is created. Please check. Now this will, the package list, how it will look like. You will get all the detail like carton, package number, description, number of packages, net unit, net weight unit, gross weight unit, volumetric weight unit, and in the below you will get the package type, and what is the item, what is the quantity, unit, net weight, and remaining detail. I hope this particular packaging format will be helpful to you in order to capture more details on packaging. Have a good day ahead.